I'm gonna be singing this song. It's called "I Believe I Can Fly" by R. Kelly. I'm not gonna sing the full song. I'm just gonna sing part of it. But here we go. Oh, and this is me singing acapella. And my name is Mike. I used to think that I could not go on, and life was nothing but an awful song. But now I know the meaning of true love. I didn't know the everlasting arm. If I can see it, then I can do it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. Oh, I believe I can touch the sky. Thinking about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. I see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. See, I was on the verge of breaking down. Sometimes silence can seem so loud. There are miracles in life I must achieve. But first I know it starts inside of me. Oh, if I could see it, then I can be it. If I just believe it, there's nothing to it. I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. Thinking about it every night and day. Spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar. See me running through that open door. I believe I can fly. I believe I can fly. Oh, I believe I can fly. Woo! Alright, that's all I'm gonna sing. But, like, for Facebook, like, comment, share, tell your friends. For YouTube, like, and subscribe. And that was me singing a cappella. I believe I can fly. Bye, okay.